So we have started with a new playlist, guys, and that is manual to automation testing from day one. So what we are doing here, we are discussing how to transit from manual tester to automation testers. We have an ongoing series of common Java interview questions as well, but that's okay. We are more concerned about the feature of this particular series. What we are doing here, we are this is for the audience who are looking forward. They are much seeking in transition from manual testing to automation testing. There are guys who cannot invest so much of time, okay, due to their ongoing projects, ongoing tasks, but they want to transit. It's been time, 4 years, 5 years of experience, and now they are looking for some other opportunities. So nowadays, if you see in the market as well, if even if the companies are looking for manual tester, but they want their employees, their hired to have some automation experience as well, at least at some level, at learning level, not at not at the side with which they are having expertise of it, but at least they know what is automated testing, how it can be implemented, what are the different tools in the market are going. Okay, so for such audience, I tried to create this. Means I was thinking to create this kind of playlist, okay, to share my knowledge. Apart from that, there are many playlists which are ongoing as of today, but they mostly focus upon the Java part. Okay, first they will tell you to learn the Java, then OOPS concept from the Java and all, and then they will switch to Selenium. But in this particular series, as I have mentioned earlier as well, we are looking for audience who are having minimum who can invest minimum amount of time. Okay, minimum amount of time, and yeah. So they from the day one, I have encountered two things. First is like they have minimum amount of time, and also if you go and learn Java, then it will take 1 month. Okay, learn Java first, and then it will take 1 month, around 1 month, to get expertise into it. And first learning Java, then moving to Selenium is it kills the patience actually. Okay, so what I have done here, I have clearly from the day one, uh, we will pick up some at least some kind of automation. Okay, pick up automation script, at least some part. Okay, at least a single page, a scenario, a test case. Okay, and with this, we will from day one we will be having some interest into our this journey, and we will learn from our mistakes. Actually, this is what I wanted to more focus about. Okay, if you go and learn Java first, and then you jump to Selenium. Okay, and you don't know what you want to do in a particular problematic situation. So in this way, the learning will, I don't think the learning will be at its maximum side. So what I have, thought to start this playlist, we will start with this direct script writing. I will tell you in a couple of lectures, and we will discuss it. But what was the main agenda of this particular playlist is to how we can move ahead step by step. Okay, I have learned to install the software. I have created one single page script. I will tell you how we do it from the day one. From the next video only, we are going to write automation scripts for our UI application with the Selenium and Java with TestNG. I will tell you, but the more the person learns when he faces some mistakes, and then he go and find out the solution. Then that's, I think, that's the concrete way of learning anything. You won't forget it in future, and it will be helpful for your innovation as well. If you go and explore other tools, it will be helpful for you. So what I have main agenda was to we will learn from our mistake, and we will learn from the solution. We will learn from the problem. We will learn from the problem, and on the basis of it, we will find out the solution. Okay. So in this way, what we need to provide, and we would be at the last of this playlist, at the last stage of this playlist, when we are going to wrap this playlist up, we will come and find it out like, okay, we have put our bare minimum time to end. We have gained maximum. Okay, and we have gained maximum ample amount of knowledge from this particular playlist. I will try to stick on this point number 5. Okay, I will try to stick as much as possible into this. Like, we will invest our bare minimum of the time, but we will gain more ample amount of knowledge. Yeah. So please stick with this playlist, guys. Okay. So for this particular video, what I was was thinking to do, but yeah, we stuck in this agenda of this playlist. But yeah, it was also important to focus upon. But in this particular playlist, what we are I was thinking to do is tell you which softwares we are going to have at least into our machine, so that we can start writing from the automation script from day one. I don't think it's a very it's a very difficult thing to get it from the internet nowadays. But yeah, I will give you a list of softwares. We will discuss it here, and then you can search throughout the YouTube, throughout the internet, and you can get multiple ways of doing so, of installation and all. So you can search on the YouTube. You will find the videos. If not, please mention in the comments. I will make videos of that as well. It won't take much time, but I just want to focus upon the thing bare minimum and gain the much knowledge. Okay, there are multiple videos you can find it already. So first thing we are going to have is Java. Okay, any version. It's yeah, whatever you want to whatever you want to download. You can download any version, not a specific version. And yeah, I would suggest to go after 11 guys, because some of the tools are not compatible nowadays, like IntelliJ, Community Edition, and all. So yeah, Java, any version you can, but should be greater than 11. Second thing, I will explain you what is Java, what is IntelliJ, and what is it's useful for. But yeah, Java, first thing, okay, it's a runtime environment, guys, so we will be needing it to collaborate between machine and the scripting language. So that's why we use Java. You can install Java into your Windows or Mac machine. And another software which you'll be needing is IntelliJ. Okay, this is my preference. You can search for this is my this would be my suggestion, but you can go for others as well, like Eclipse or not. Okay, but this would be my I will be working with, and I will be telling you guys to work with. And yeah, IntelliJ for script writing. Okay, where we will write our own script, and it will collaborate with the JVM, and then it will find it out our solutions. No issues. The third thing is Maven. Okay, it's a build tool, guys. We will be having. I will tell you why we use it in the future lecture. Maven is basically, if you understand, if we build up if we are building one house, okay, and that house would be would be work of collaboration between multiple teams, okay, a plumber, electrician, and all. So Maven will make a it's kind of a broker, okay, with whom all these facilities are available. Some broker is having connection with multiple you know he is having multiple plumbers with him, he is having multiple electricians with him. So in this way, if you go to him and then you ask, so he will give you one set of members from his bucket. So this is how Maven works. We will deal with TestNG, we will deal with Apache POI for Excel and other Word documents, Word documents handling. Okay, so in this way, Maven help us to deal with the dependencies with the external jars. Okay, so that's kind of external jars. Okay, we are going to use, and Maven is going to help us with this. And Java, IntelliJ, and Maven. After that, we have SNG. We will download it from. Okay, so I think this much. Okay, one more thing, guys. You need one browser installed in your machine. We will be more working with Chrome, but yeah, I will tell you how we work with other browsers as well. So Chrome browser, okay, and at least I would say at least, okay, uh, but you can have Firefox as well. So browser, and one more thing guys, we will be needing is you can download it in the zip file. If you don't find it, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video on it. We will be needing browser executable, guys. Browser executable. What is need of it, guys? Actually, it's a kind of a bridge. It's a kind of bridge between our code, okay, our code what we are writing into our IDE. It would be bridge between our code and browser, whatever browser we are using. Okay, so it will work as a executable, guys. So for this particular, you can go to your Chrome browser. If you install it first, you will check its version, what version it's working with, and then you can go to the browser executable, and then you can download the browser executable of the same version, and it will be work as bridge between the code and browser, so it won't give you a session timeout exception. We will discuss it later. In this particular video, we are more focused about the problems, not for the solutions. And yeah, So bridge between code and browser executable, you can get it, and I think that would be sufficient as to start with. So guys, this is bare minimum you would be needing to to start with your automation journey. Be with this channel, guys. You will find it really helpful if you want to transit from manual to automation. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.